Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Of course, it's a girl here, Josie Cups, and kindly if you're new here and you're not yet subscribed to this channel, go back and subscribe to the channel. Kindly just hit that subscribe button. I know you are seeing it, and why can't you just click on it and subscribe to our channel. Anyway guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm so excited this morning, and I want to thank God for the fact that He has brought us. Imagine we are at 17,000 subscribers. Oh my goodness. And let me tell you guys, oh my goodness, forgive my manners. Niko na homa mbaya sana. But guys, I want to appreciate anyone who has taken his or her chance in subscribing to our channel and making us hit this milestone of 17,000 subscribers. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited, and I thank God for this. It is not by a human being connection, but only God. You know, we started this YouTube channel 2 years ago, and we never thought that a day like this we will be at this. So we have been doing shorts, guys. Every day we have to drop a short, 3 shorts a day, and guys, it's amazing. I think consistency also, it's helping us to grow our channel, and we are so excited. And now today I thought of maybe why can't I do this content and share with you guys. I know most of you maybe ukiwa na fridge, how regular do you clean your fridge? And so guys, today I'm here with you to thoroughly clean my fridge. I want to show you things that maybe you have never seen. But guys, I want us to thoroughly clean our fridge. So here is my fridge, you know. So guys, don't worry. I'm the one recording myself, so you don't have to mind so much if I'm not showing you everything here. But now, this is our fridge. And with our fridge here, yeah, it's not that big. It's we call it a two-door, or how do we call it? Ina milango miwili. So our fridge right now has nothing. As you can see, it is empty. It is empty, and the reason being, I want to clean it. If you can be able to see clearly here, kuna uchafu hapa, right? Yeah. So guys, before I start cleaning it, I have to, anyway, like the video, like and share your thoughts. So I have to disconnect it from the electricity. And after disconnecting, yeah, that is it, I have disconnected. And before I clean it, I have to do some things. So I have to remove things like this because I'm going to thoroughly clean it. Thorough cleaning, you know. So when I'm done removing all these, you know, I know there are those people who don't know that also you can remove these things here. I don't know whether you are seeing them. So easy pia unatoa. You remove them and then you will insert them after you are done cleaning your fridge. Remember, you have also to clean this. Yes, Mama? Go and play. I'm doing content here. So I remove the upper one. No, Mama. Then I also remove this one. So they are elastic. Not that fully elastic, but ukirudisha itakuwa tu sawa. So guys, the reason I'm saying that you should remove this, you see, you should remove them and thoroughly clean them. When you look at this part here, you can see there's some dirt. So how will you be able to clean the dirt without removing them? So guys, this baby girl is distracting me. Mama, go to the sitting room. So guys, those are some of the things that you should remove. So we have already removed them, and also this one. And now guys, these are the things that I'm going to clean them. I could have cleaned them, what else have I forgotten? So I have also forgotten to remove this, but I'm gonna do it. We also have these ones, you see. Mine are the glass type, and I'm afraid that they may break when I want to clean them. So where do I keep them? Let me keep them here safe before I break them. Sorry guys, baby girl is really distracting me, and I want to show you everything. So once you are done with this, so let me show you the, you see, yeah, that's how it's supposed. So that's our fridge. That's our fridge. Nimeshatoanisha kila kitu, and now I want to clean it, guys. So this is my fridge. This is how it is. And now, after showing you that, guys, I could have cleaned it at the a sink section, but guys, my kitchen window is directly there and the lighting is not going to be that good. So I prefer that, and maybe I put some water in a bucket, and then after doing that, I bring that water here and I start cleaning with you guys. So come with me, let's clean it, and guys, let's get it shining. Ikae mpya kama yenye imetoka kwa duka, right? So guys, here we come. So guys, this is what I was saying. You see, my window is just here and you can see the lighting is already dark. So I could have cleaned them here, or what should I do? Yeah, let me just fetch some water. So guys, yeah, let me use this bucket here. I'm gonna, I want to start cleaning the fridge itself. As you can see, I want to start cleaning it itself. It's not that bad, but you know, sometimes when you keep things in the fridge and they take time, unaweza maliza hata pengine wiki moja hujaosha, so kuna ile kaharufu ya inatoa. So to keep it neat and clean, I have to do this. So guys, as we fetch some water, I'm going to use this the thing, and then I have my morning fresh here that I'm going to use. Yeah, I don't think I can use any other soap because I think this is a hand wash. In hand wash, so easy to me. So I'm gonna use this, and guys, yeah, I think the water is enough. Imagine anishinda kufunga juu. Yeah, the water here is enough. Yeah. So the water is enough. Ndio maji yetu. So kabla nitumie maji, nilete sabuni yetu hapa. Here is our soap. So guys, let us do the cleaning. And so guys, I decided to add another bucket of water because I'm feeling like staki kuosha hapa, then I move from here to the sink. Remember the reason why I've told you I want to clean it from here, it's because my sink is directly at the window, and that window pane is bringing in too much light whereby you can't record something from uweke camera ku record, because so I've done the vice versa. And now guys, let me start cleaning our fridge. So I have said that I'm going to use this. This is our morning fresh, but I'm not going to use much because huwa inashika vizuri sana. The reason I use it is because ni yangu, yeah. And so guys, let's go. So guys, as you can see, our fridge, it's sparkling clean, you know. Tushamalizana na ndani, nimeosha ndani, rinse, alafu pia nimeikausha. So let's go to the outside of the fridge. Although nisha clean huku nje, this side, as you can see, it's sparkling clean guys. Yeah, so ikaratasi siji kama mtoto. Baby girl ndio ujaribu kufanya hizi vitu. So guys, let us clean hizi ziko hapa, and then pia to clean side na side alafu na back, and then to irudishe form vile inafaa. So guys, come with me. Wamaitanimaliza. So guys, because our fridge is already clean, nilikuwa na mehemehe za kuenda hapo kunini. Maneno ya kushoot na wengi unapanga. So guys, let us start kurudisha vitu penye zilifaa, tuone fridge yetu. Yeah, so tumeika vibaya. What's up mama? So raki ya jiko sawa kama inaiva. Then kwa ni hapa chini. Yeah. Yeah, so that is it. Shamalizana hiyo yote. Tumemaliza ndizi. Good girl. Then we have this one there. Then kuna hizi juma naogopa. Hizi hata zinang'ani zipanguza. Hey. You see? Hizi nataka chai. Kidogo mama pia. So, place it there. Let us lower it. Kama tufanye kidogo. Yeah, that way. Then we have another glass. Hizi glasi zinaniogopesha zikipasua. Zikipasua tutaweka wapi chakula na kuzungumza. Hii definitely inakuangalia hapa chini. So guys, as you can see, fridge nimepanga vinoma. So ile kitu imebaki hapa. There's one inama sijui kamera ina capture kitu ama ina capture. So I'm done with this, right? So what to fix is of these rules. Ease of it. Let us now fix those things that will allow these doors to be. No, zishike. Ukifunga hata bila kutumia key. Right? Inajifunga. So let's go. So guys, let us fix it. Yeah, that's it. Kazi hapa. So you just fix them as you press them. Yeah. So that is it, guys. So guys, you see, everything is in position. So let me now show you the. So guys, you see our fridge is now back to its normal, back to its form, and it's sparkling clean. I'm telling you, menipea kazi. Sasa kazi nyingine inataka kulipea ni kazi ya kutafuta pesa na kununua vitu na kujaza kwa hii fridge. Kukuwa na fridge sio rahisi. Unaweza kuwa nayo na ikuwa haina anything. So guys, SKFC ndio hiyo imeng'ara. Imeng'ara, to be sincere. Just have a view. Have a view. Have a view, guys. You see? Have a view. So it looks good. And guys, ndio hiyo nimeosha, imeng'ara. As you can see our fridge. Imeng'ara kabisa, sio? And yeah, let me take this opportunity. Tunakaaje? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for Mama. Thank you so much for tuning in, for watching this video. We really appreciate, and kindly hit that subscribe button, keep supporting us, and we shall be grateful. Anyway, let's meet in our next one. It have been me, your girl, Just the Girls, and we love you. Bye.